So in order to clear out the browser data from Google Chrome, you can go around into the three dot icon right here, and then you can go to settings. So once you do that, you can see that under privacy and security, there's clear browsing data. Once you click on this, and if you were to select all time and select all the options right here and click on clear data, it not only clears out the data from your Google Chrome browser, but from your entire Google account. So in order to only remove out the content from your computer, let's say for example, and if you want to preserve it inside of your Google account, then what you can do is you can go to clear browsing data, and over here you can see that at the end there's an option called sign out. So once you do that, now what happens is that your account has been signed out. So now you can select everything right here. Let's say for example, I can go around, select everything and clear out the data. So now you don't have any history anymore over here. So you don't have any site data, you don't have any stored password, but you can see that it says pause right here. So you can sign in again. And once you sign in again, all of your data that you actually saved out, let's say for example, if I were to do this again and add in my content again, let's say for example, and type in my password and press enter. Let me just enter my correct password and then sign in. What happens is that the sync is back up and all of your data will be back. So all of your saved password and everything will be back right here. And that is how you can use the clear browsing data option inside of Google Chrome. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.